Capturing the night sky is no longer in the realm of advanced photography. From the mysterious Milky Way to the slow movement of the stars due to the rotation of the Earth about its axis, there is a lot happening once the sun goes down. Modern cameras have made night sky photography possible and exciting. Unfortunately, light pollution from urbanization has made it difficult for us to see the stars at night. And this is why a bunch of photography enthusiasts joined me at Badami, a small and sparsely populated town 600 kilometers from Bangalore. Once called Vatapi, Badami is home to numerous ruins from the Chalukya dynasty. The Malaprabha River, the old temples and forts, the red sandstone rocks, and the endless fields are all unique to Badami. The workshop lasted 3 days and 2 nights. We headed out in the evenings to shoot the sunset from places accessible only by foot. Having scouted for the best places in Badami for the workshop, I guided the participants to photogenic spots in the rugged and rocky sandstone outcrop of Badami. After dark, we pointed our cameras to the stars. Capturing star trails requires patience. It generally takes about an hour to shoot one star trail image. When you're on a mission to capture the night sky, sleep is something worth sacrificing. We were out by 4 a.m. to capture the Milky Way and again at 6 to shoot sunrise. The cool mornings of February offered subtle colors in the sky during sunrise. It was an action-packed 3 days for both the participants and me. If you are interested in joining me for future workshops, follow me on Instagram and watch out for announcements.